Sharing my screen, guys. Hmm. तो शुरू करते हैं with yesterday's class. Okay. So quickly revise कर लेंगे. So we have already started with the uh, what you can say regex. So regex, those who are new, you can start with those who are new, like go through this. Like this is important actually, very important library. So regex में what we have learned, regex को RE भी कहा जाता है, regex को regular expression भी कहा जाता है. So it is very fundamental library of Python, which deals with textual data. Mostly जो भी Python में textual work रहेगा, that can be, if it is related to filtering and all, it will be mostly done by the regular expression. Nowadays there is like AI can also do the good job, but for faster way to do it faster way, you can go for regular expression, and if it is simple, then again you can go for regular expression. Yes, if it is difficult or if it is uh, you know if it's difficult and if it's basically important, then you can go for AI, right? Because like if you are uh, like if you can afford a latency meaning कि LLMs को थोड़ा time लगता है, whereas regular expression is faster. So in the regular expression we have seen a function called find all, which do the finding job. Okay, so for that matter, uh, we have taken one text from the internet, from the chat GPT, and consider that कि ये text हमें हमारे manager ने दिया, and our manager said कि get the employee's number to me. Okay, कुछ भी करके employee का number लो. So this is the question. This can be an interview question also. So interviewer will give you this kind of text, and it will say, "He get me a number." Okay. So you started with this. You you created a mobile number variable, and you said RE, which is regular expression, which you imported here. Okay? Which you imported here. इसको मैं delete कर देता हूँ. And you said find all. So this is a function in the regular expression. In the round braces, and then you opened a string, right? उसके अंदर you draw a pattern. So this is a pattern. Okay, this is a pattern. And given a comma, you gave this entire text here. Okay, you gave this entire text here. So what this pattern do? What this pattern do? So we have seen this ये पैटर्न. आई होप एवरीवन इज प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन दिस वेबसाइट जो कल लेक्चर के एंड पे दिया था. ओके, सो अगर मैं यहाँ पर ये सिमिलर चीज डाल देता हूँ. ओके, let me just write it from scratch. If I open, so 0 to 9 meaning it will give me all the numbers. So you can see output here. Okay, इसको मैं बंद कर देता हूँ. You can see outputs here. Okay, I'm getting all the numbers. But I want length. Okay, length meaning कितने long numbers चाहिए. So if I add this in the curly braces, I will get 10 long numbers. Okay, so if I say 5 here, so I will get 5 numbers. So see this 5, this 5, this 5, this 5. You can see 5. Meaning we are getting so this is a pattern and this is a length. So if you want to mention a length, you can mention it in a curly braces. If you want to mention a pattern, you can mention in a round square brace. Okay, going ahead. So we again took a lot of data of employees. उनका mail ID है, उनका नाम है, and their description and all. Okay, उनके numbers भी है. So we wanted all those numbers. So we run this pattern. The same thing we ran and we got all the numbers. Last time we ran with the 5 length, we got this 5. And also we said from 0 to 5. So we only got those number which has only 0 to 5 numbers. You can't see 6, 7, 8, 9 here. Okay. So this was again question to you. Find the numbers from 0 to 7 and the length should also be 7. Then we also see how to find the capital letters. So this was the pattern. A to Z, which is in the capital, and we gave the length as a 3, right? Then we found how to get a small letters, right? Small characters, and it's the same. So this one is something to find all the capitals and all capital and small letters. Okay, together. So if you need to mention A as capital, Z as small, and give some length to the uh, those letters. Okay. Next, we have seen whatever the data we had this year. Okay, all this data. Our manager said, "Wow, I want all the mail IDs." Okay, I want all the mail IDs. So what we done? We did this. We did this. So इसको मैं have I pasted it here already? I think I have this. I will just pick this where it is. This one. Okay. So you need to have some data and then this pattern you need to pick. Okay. And then this pattern you need to pick. Just copying this one and use it here. Okay. So you can see all the mail IDs I'm getting here. All the mail IDs. What this pattern says, it says, इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर देता हूँ. It says, give me all the capital letters, okay, A to Z. Give me all the small letters. Give me all the numbers and a dot, okay, and a dot. So यहाँ पर मुझे all the capital letters आएंगे, dot भी आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ तक till till ये point तक मुझे सारी चीजें आ जाएगी, okay. उसके बाद I'm giving a length from 3 to 20, okay. Minimum 2 letters 3 letters तो रह सकते हैं इसके पहले at the rate के पहले, okay. And maximum 20 letters रह सकते हैं. That's my way of finding it. After that, I'm saying at the rate, okay, because at the rate is common in the email ID. After that, I'm saying A to Z and giving you 5 to 10 as a length. A to Z meaning कि उसके बाद email हो सकता है, inside text हो सकता है, any company's name can be there, okay. And then I've added dot, which is again in the common in the email ID. Then again, I'm saying A to Z and the length is 3. Saying that it can be .com, it can be AI, it can be IO, and so on. Okay. So this is how we can find the email IDs. Okay. Still, these are not correct. Like you can see some round braces, square braces are there. So we'll learn how to make it perfect. Okay, today. So I think that's what we discussed yesterday in the yesterday's class. And also we gave an example to find these numbers. So numbers में previously we were just getting the 10 numbers, but we also wanted to get this plus 91 and hyphen. So we added plus 0 to 9 and hyphen at the end, and we gave the length to the 14. And this is also another way to do it. So plus in the square 0 to 9 gave a length as 2 for 9 and 1, then hyphen this, and the rest is that we have seen 0 to 9 10 length. Okay, so I think that is all that we have learned yesterday. Okay. So let me just continue with the other functions today. So everyone got this. Okay, got this or not? Has everyone got this or not? If you have got this, uh, type all is well. Okay. Any questions? Yes, if there is a question, got it, got it, got it. Yes, yes, you good. Okay. Moving ahead. Mm, moving ahead, guys. So today we are going to learn. So मैं कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ. Let me import Ari again because I think at the top I have not imported it. Okay. So today we are going to learn these two things. Two things mean like काफी चीजें सीखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले we will look at this thing which called as backward slash d. Okay, what is this backward slash d? It is nothing but digit. ठीक है, d को digit से नाम से हम कह सकते हैं. So basically it only uh, used for used for getting the digits. Okay, varying from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. So you must be saying कि you यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं 9 like 0 to 9 length data. That is just a replacement of it. ठीक है, it is just a replacement of it. Like data set, let's say I R. Okay, I R from some employees. Something to be 4 5 6 7. So this is one other number, another 84 5 7 8 0 0. This is another Aadhaar, and then again 998 176. That also. This is, for example, is another Aadhaar. Okay. So if you have a long text, you need to add three quotes. Okay, three quotes. It can be double quotes or single quotes. So, so here if I say mm, Aadhaar nums, okay, I'm taking a variable and importing RE and I'm saying find all. Okay, find all. And in this string, I need to add some pattern. Okay, I need to add some pattern to get the Aadhaar, right? To get the Aadhaar. So let me just इसको कुछ इस तरीके से कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इसको मैं और एक बार डाल देता हूँ, आई डाल देता हूँ इसके अंदर. आई सी देखिए एक्यूरेट वाला नंबर है. ठीक है, आई शुड गेट दिस. बाकी इसमें आई है, इट डजंट हो जाता है तो यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है या और कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस. ठीक है, आई नीड टू नंबर फ्रॉम द डेटा. सो दैट्स माय जॉब राइट नाउ. So what I will do, I will say I quest like this. Give me 9. ठीक है, 9 दो और 4. ठीक है, if I do it मुझे सारी 4 4 4 में आ जाएगी, राइट. और ऐसे बस कर लीजिए. Plus I should almost 4. Okay, but just add them. Now instead of writing this 0 9, okay, instead of writing this 0 9, you can say slash d. Okay, you can say slash d. And इसको भी हम इसके अंदर देंगे. Okay. When now run it, I should exactly same output, right? Meaning that instead of writing 0 to 9, you can also hit slash, okay, slash d. That's the only thing there, okay? In order to get this, like again this 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5, but we need in the same exact one query, okay? So let's add some space, ठीक है. अगर मैं space add कर देता हूँ तो I will get ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है. So I'm still not getting what I wanted, ठीक है. तो स्पेस को स्पेस के बाद आई एम अगेन सेइंग स्लैश टी. ओके, स्लैश टी उसका भी लेंथ 4 चाहिए, ठीक है. एंड आई एम अगेन सेइंग इसके बाद स्लैश टी उसका भी 4, ठीक है. स्लैश टी आगे आपको 4 चाहिए. नाउ एरर्स like this. We will get here 2 0 9. Why is that here? This is how we got the number. Okay, this is how we run the same query on this particular website, which you should do. इसके ऊपर कर देते हैं. यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करो गाइस, कंप्लीट यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करो. व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, स्लैश डी. यहाँ पर विजुअलाइजेशन बहुत अच्छा. यू कैन सी ऑल द नंबर्स आई एम गेटिंग. यहाँ पर स्पेस वो नहीं आ रहे, ठीक है. ऑल नंबर्स आई एम गेटिंग. इफ आई ऐड सम स्पेस हियर, यू कैन सी सम स्पेस आ रहा है, बट यहाँ पर ये चीज़ें नहीं आ रही है. सो आई अगेन टू समथिंग लाइक स्लैश डी. ओके, और उसका लेंथ जो मैंने 4 दे दिया. तो दो दो डिजिट आ रहे हैं, मुझे 3 चाहिए, ठीक है. सो आई अगेन आई से स्पेस, राइट. सो यहाँ तक मैं पहुँच गया. आई नीड टू ऐड दिस स्लैश डी यहाँ पर, ठीक है. और उसके बाद मैं डॉट डाल देता हूँ। अच्छा, डॉट से इन 3 डॉट से भी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, डॉट का मीनिंग ये होता है, डॉट मीनिंग एनी कैरेक्टर। ठीक है, इसको कुछ भी कैरेक्टर से कंसिडर किया जाता है। ठीक है, डॉट उसके ऊपर लिखा है मैचेस एनी कैरेक्टर एक्सेप्ट लाइन फॉर लाइन और टर्मिनल। ठीक है, अगर डी के ऊपर लिखता हो तो मैचेस अ डिजिट, अगर इसके ऊपर लिखा है तो मैचेस अ सिंगल कैरेक्टर, यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ तो मैचेस अ प्रीवियस टोकन एग्जैक्टली 4 टाइम। ठीक है, अभी मैं यहाँ पर फिर से वो कर्ली ब्रेसेस में 4 लेंथ डाल देता हूँ। ठीक है, इस तरीके से आई विल गेट व्हाट आई वांटेड। ठीक है, so if you want to practice the patterns, this is the best way। यहाँ पर ऑल ये चीजें दी गई है, अभी स्लैश डी यहाँ पर दिखेगा, एनी डिजिट, कैपिटल डी यहाँ पर दिया है, स्मॉल कैपिटल डी क्या रहेगा, एनी नॉन डिजिट। ठीक है, एनी नॉन डिजिट। सो